people, how are we today? Yes, we have a different setup today. Yes, I'm not in the greenhouse. I'm actually on the, what would you even call this? The outer deck portion of my parents' place, just outside the greenhouse, because today we're doing some unboxings, but it's not like your normal unboxing. Yes, it has something to do with plants. Are they plants themselves? No, not really. These are all of the items that I have gotten from Dr. Greenthumbs. I've got some goodies in here and all the things that I will be selling in the shop. So I thought to myself, well, I'm going to be opening them anyway. I love me a good old unboxing, even if it's not to do with plants. I've got my Frideck here because it is literally my favorite plant at the moment. And if you can see, it has this white and yellow variegation, which to me, mind blown. Let's start opening. I'm going to put those plants aside. I'll also keep my Frideck out here. Oh, there's a little spider on it. Hi, little guy. Today we have 6 boxes to look at. And like I said, these are all items and stock from Dr. Greenthumbs, which I will be selling in my shop, which launches the 5th of December. Mark it down in your diary because we're gonna have some awesome plants. And now I have the best products. They really have incredible products, and Scott, the main honcho of Dr. Greenthumbs, is such a legend. He is so kind, he is so easy to talk to, and he just knows his stuff. What can we say? When it comes to soil, I do not look past Dr. Greenthumbs. They are literally the best. It's definitely quality stuff in comparison to, let's say, soil from Bunnings. He's got things that are like amendments to add to soils. He's got his pre-mixed soils and things that you can add into the soil to make it amazing. Honestly, I thought I was only going to get 2 boxes because the amount of stock that I got wasn't a lot for the first launch. So he's definitely packed some surprises in here. So I'm very excited to see. Let's just start with this guy because why not? He's right in front. What's in box number 1? Oh my God, amazing. Okay, so I should have opened this box last because this box is not even stuff that I'll be selling. These are things that Scott has sent down to me to try. So this here is a chlorine sediment remover, a must-have for organic living soil growers. Instantly removes chloride, ideal for compost tea brewing, make water safe and beneficial bacteria. 5,000 liters, holy crap. Because I don't know if you guys have seen in my greenhouse, but the way that I water my plants is through a rain tank, and I just use a hose. So I could potentially just add this, and I'll have to see how it goes. I will definitely keep you guys updated. That's cool. I've never tried that before. I don't know where to put all this stuff. This is what I was pretty excited to be trying. Oh my gosh, there's 2 of them. Okay, so this item is already on their website and I've been taking a look at it for quite some time now, and it is the Greenspace Premium Potting Soil, and I believe that this like premium mix is very much so for like indoor plants. Let's see what we've got in here. That it's 100% organic, probiotic gardeners. Ooh, I'm excited to try that. I might actually try these on my alocasias because this looks very like dense and I'm sure that they would love that. Maybe I would even put it for my alocasia Frideck. And this, I believe, is a brand new product, so don't quote me, I could be wrong. But from what I've been seeing on the Instagram is that this is mineral-based cactus and succulent potting soil. I really like the packaging. I think that it's really cute. So I'm gonna be honest, I don't have any cacti or succulents, but I probably will give this to Mum. She'll probably tell me what she thinks about it. But this looks very much so like there are lots of awesome ingredients in here. Another one. And he's given me another premium potting soil. Oh my goodness. So I'm guessing that's for the chlorine remover. I have another premium potting soil. This is so generous, seriously. So that pretty much cut me out. My phone is currently on a stand in the sun and it kind of just got overheated and stopped. So I don't know where it paused, but we'll keep going. The second box, and it has here it's so full of pumice. It is amazing, and this is essentially what I want to be putting into my soil as an amendment. Oh man, I have literally had such bad luck in filming this video. This is like the 5th time because my phone keeps overheating. Hopefully now that the sun is gone, I can just film like normal. But I've already done 2 boxes. This is the 3rd one, and my gosh, it is packed to the brim with goodies. Goodies that I haven't even ordered. So Scott has been so kind, and he's actually wanted me to try a lot of the new stuff. So one of these new things is Gnat Bat, and I've got 3 of those. So at the current moment, I do not have any gnats. But if I were to, I would definitely give this a go. I've got 3. I might keep one for myself. Actually, I might keep the 2 and put one in a giveaway. He's also given me, which I haven't ordered, Greenspace slow release fertilizer, and this stuff is incredible because I normally put this like a handful into my soil for my plants, and they love it. So I'm kind of hoping that first launch I won't have these, but as the business grows, I'll be able to offer you guys a lot of these products, including this Greenspace slow release fertilizer because I freaking love it. Also probably put some in the giveaway. Oh my god, there are so many tester for root roids, which is amazing. I will have to do some sort of awesome thing, maybe like the first 10 buyers on my website, we can put some root roids as a thank you. And I've got this awesome ocean grown fish hydrolysate. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but I love this stuff. I've already used this as a sampler from them before. My plants love it. And it smells, I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't smell as fishy or anything like that as other things that you can find on the market. So this stuff I love. He's also, oh my gosh, Scott, you've been way too generous in all of this. Like, that's so much stuff. This is some Bug Boss King Hit. So I believe this is for like spider mites, mold control. Works in 2 applications. So I've never used these before. And I currently don't have any spider mite issues. I also have my beneficial bugs, so I don't think I'll be using this stuff anytime soon until those beneficial bugs kind of finish. But also we'll be putting these like little sample sizes in a giveaway shortly. This is what I'm actually offering on my website. So out of all the things that you could possibly buy from Dr. Greenthumbs, I cannot vouch enough for this stuff. This is root roids, and so I'll be offering a 75 gram, which is like the smaller pack, as well as the huge pro pack, which is 225 grams. I love this shit. I've only got a few of the bigger ones because I assumed that a lot of people would just like to buy the small packet. Regardless, this shit is amazing. There's so many root roids in here. It's so cool. Okay, wow, that's a lot of stuff. So I got 3 more boxes to go. I'm pretty sure this box is another of the pumice. I'm pretty sure these 2 are actually pumice, actually. So we got another box of pumice. Amazing. If I really like this pumice, I'd probably get them in like little baggies and sell them on the website, but we'll see how we go. So, which means this is the last box. Look how big that leaf is. Bigger than my face. And the very last box, which I'm not really even sure what this could potentially hold. Yes! Oh my god, yes! Scott did tell me that this was coming, and it is a Dr. Greenthumbs t-shirt, and this is so sick. I just saw it on their website just yesterday. Oh my god, this is amazing! Yes! This is sick! That is the Root Roid t-shirt from Dr. Greenthumbs, which I think is so badass. I will 200% be wearing this. I'm gonna try it on real quick. Oh, this feels great. How do I look? It is a medium, so it's pretty huge, but I am a huge fan. This could be a dress. I think it's only fitting that I continue to wear this throughout the video. But this last box is, again, more soil, which is going to be so awesome. So I've got another 2 of the Greenspace premium potting mix and 1 more of the Cactus and Succulent potting mix, which my mum is going to froth, I just already know. So that pretty much wraps up this week's video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, not in the greenhouse this time, but just like having a good unboxing of planty stuff. This was really fun. I found some really cool stuff that I didn't even think that would be in the boxes, including this sick ass shirt. Hopefully I will have more of a selection for you guys after the first launch. December 5th is the day where I will be launching plants and some of Dr. Greenthumbs products. Then we'll probably conclude on the 26th of December on Boxing Day, and hopefully after that I have enough momentum to offer you guys more stuff from Dr. Greenthumbs, and I'll probably have to let you know how I go with all of the other products as well, so follow me on Instagram if you'd like to keep up with that. But other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!